Hi friends, it's Liz here. Thanks so much for joining me today. I have a fun haul to share with all of you from Stationery. They reached out to me and asked if I wanted to check out some of their products, and of course I said I would love to check them out. I also asked if it would be okay to offer my subscribers a little something, and they said yes. So stay tuned for details on how you can win some items from Stationery. Now I have to say that the box arrived pretty quickly once I had placed my order, and the packaging is great. The box that I showed you actually came inside another box, and I'll definitely be using the other box because, as you know, as a junk journal maker, I like to repurpose everything if I can. So I noticed that the packaging has some really cute extra little bits that can be used in projects or to repackage. I also like the bubble wrap that has the little hearts. Now I like to use bubble wraps in my mixed media projects, so this will be perfect for that. They've included this cute little bear and a little hat, it looks like. So these are things that I did not order, but they've included. And then these are little erasers. So I think they're super adorable, and I'll probably use them as like props in backgrounds of my my photos as well, because they're super cute. It's not something that I would have, but it's really nice to, to have the little surprise added to the packaging as well. So those are really cute. There's also a couple of little clips there, as you can see, and this one here as well. This is really cute with the vintage film, and so these will be really cute to add them as backgrounds to my photos when I take pictures to show you. And then of course, like I said, the additional little bits and pieces, I'll just put all these in a little baggie and then keep them ready for when I'm repackaging. So the first thing, I did send a little thank you note. It looks like there's a 2022 calendar in this vellum envelope. So of course I'm going to repurpose the envelope once I've used up the calendar. And what I really liked about the shop online, it was quite easy to navigate, and they actually have like a dollar section, so you can buy lots of different items for $1. And I thought that was just such a great addition. If you're purchasing something and you wanted to add a little something else, that's really great to do. So I like the envelope for sure. So this calendar it's on really nice cardstock. It is very thick. So for sure, I know I will be repurposing this this calendar once I'm finished with it. And I like that it's got just florals in the background, so it's quite neutral. You can use it at any time, and it is just really a nice size as well. So that was nice. They included this. I did not place an order for these items. And so basically they just asked me to, choose a selection of things that I wanted to try out, and I did. But they also have included these calendars, it seems. This one's another calendar, and it looks like it's got a little astronaut in the front. Now I wanted to salvage the little sticker, but I don't think I'll be able to because it is really stuck on there. So I'm going to have to just go for it, and unfortunately it took the little head off, but that's okay. So here's the other envelope, which I'll definitely reuse. And from what you can see here, again, it's really nice thick cardstock that they've printed these on. And the calendar itself has little quotes at the bottom. And I noticed that it also has a tearaway part. So it's like you can cut these in half so you can take the pictures away from the actual calendar. So I might actually end up doing that as well and repurpose the other side. It is just a really nice thick cardstock. It's really nice. Okay, so that's the 2022 calendar as well. So they've included kind of a more generic floral version, and then this one that has the little astronaut images on it. So that is really cute. I will have a coupon code as well linked in the description box below and on my blog, so you can check out every item that I'm showing you here, and of course use the discount code if you are purchasing anything. As always, it's nice to have them off for that. So when I saw these, I thought they were really cute, and it's just little scrapbook paper, really thin but really nice, perfect for collage, and I'll definitely repurpose that little cover, maybe make a mini journal. I wanted to try out some of their double-sided tape as well because I really tend to have some favorites. I do like my liquid glues, but there's also some double-sided adhesives that I really enjoy using, you know, for a quick project if I'm not gluing too much at one time. When I saw these, I was very excited about it because a long time ago, I would say a couple years ago, I was searching for these pens everywhere and it was so hard to find them, and they have so many Tombow on their shop. Tombow is one of those, you know, pens that you use often, and it's just really nice to see it here. Okay, I paused here because I thought that these pens actually embossed just by using the pens on paper, but you actually need embossing powder to use these. So I got two because I thought this would be so fun to use them in my journals, but as it turns out, I need embossing powder for it. So keep that in mind if you are thinking of getting those. I also picked these two colors in the Tombow because I really enjoy making, you know, kind of nature themed items, and I thought drawing them with those colors would be great. I got a selection of washi as well, and that was one of the ones that I have there. Now these tweezers, I also wanted to try them out because it makes it so much easier when you're, you know, grabbing a small item like a die cut and you want to hold it while you're gluing it, and it just doesn't make a mess all over your hands and stuff. So I wanted to try those out. More washi tape. This one's like in a mushroom theme. So as you can see, I'm going very much with like the earthy nature tones. That's my favorite things to use, and so I wanted to try those out. These little ephemera pieces, they're just paper ephemera. Again, I just wanted to see what they included. It looks like they have two of each image, and the paper is quite thin, so it would be great for collaging as well. But it's got a nice variety of sizes. As you can see, there's some postcards. There's some, you know, a variety of colors in them, and some smaller pieces as well. So that's a nice variety. If you are looking for collage pieces as well, these would be great. I noticed that the pricing is also quite affordable. So that was something that I thought would be great for you to know. I believe these are the bases for the calendars. So the desktop calendars, which would also be nice to have something on my desk to if I wanted to add an image or something that I wanted to look at. So those are cute little bases. I also got another set of washi tape, and I have to tell you that the prices for washis is really great as well from what I noticed on their site. So definitely check those out if you are looking for washi tape. I wanted to get a coffee themed one as well because I think for when I do my journaling, I do love coffee, so I kind of like to add coffee themed, you know, embellishments, and washi tape is the easiest to do that with. So, and they've got lots of sizes in here, which are nice. I picked up another one of these little books that have lots of different images in them, and this one I thought it looked cute because it looks like canceled stamps, but they're all in a floral theme, and some of them I think would be so perfect. I'm working on the new Maggie Holmes collection right now, and it's like I think it's just perfect for it because it's got a lot of florals, and I think that always goes well with anything Maggie Holmes. I also got an extra one of these little mono glues, or merino, I don't know how to say that. I've used them before and I really like them, so I wanted to get some more. Now these ones, again, I got them in like a nature color, forest color. They're brush pens, and it's a different tip on either side, which I thought would be nice to check out. I did end up getting an extra one of these pens because it's the ones I go to really when I'm journaling or writing or anything like that. I tend to use those a lot more often. I wanted to try the water brush pens as well. These ones have a different tip. I have one that just has a generic tip, but the ones that they had in their shop had 3 different sizes of the tips, and I thought that would be great if I'm, wanting to work on something a little more specific with my watercolors. So you can see one of them has a bit of a thicker tip and the other one's a little thinner, and this one is even smaller than the other 2 I showed you. So I wanted to give those a try. And I like that they're just, you know, they hold the water. You can put them on your desk and you can just go right ahead. You don't have to look for water to use your watercolors. I love this washi tape as well. I wanted to try it out for the colors, but also because it has the little graph line and the lined one. I think those are just very versatile when you use them in projects. I did get another one of these double-sided tapes, and it looks like a little smaller than the original one, so I did not know that. I also wanted to try out these two neutral tones for the graph style washi tape. Very useful. You know, you can just use them in backgrounds, etc. And then these ones I think are so cute, nature themed and animals as well. And it looks like little postage stamps. Those always come in handy whenever, you know, I'm working on projects. I like the paper clips here in the rose gold. I didn't have any of those, and I thought that would just be really nice if I'm, you know, adding ribbons to them and adding them to my pages. Those will look really nice with those colors. This little booklet again has some ephemera, vintage looking ephemera, great for collaging, and I think it's just something again that I wanted to see what was in it and, you know, what it looked like. And then these little envelopes, they look like they had a lot of goodies in them, and so I wanted to try one. This one comes with like a little twine, and then you've got like a doily and some different sizes of papers. Some of them I think are stickers, and they also have like little envelopes that you can, you know, kind of fold into envelopes. So I think this is just a really nice variety as well so far from what I'm seeing. And you know, very useful in our junk journals and that sort of stuff, because it's very neutral, very vintage looking. I think that always goes well with most of those vintage looking projects. There's a couple of stickers here. And these are the little envelopes. And then there's the doily. And then of course it has like, I think a larger sticker sheet. This one here as well. So nice variety in this small pack as well. And then the last two things I think that are in here are booklets of stickers, and I wanted to try these out because it looked like it had really nice stickers when I saw them on their site. I think the covers don't really show you exactly what's you know, what's in them as well, so I'm just going to quickly flip through them and show you. I'm just going to open that up, and then I'll flip through it and show you what some of the pages are. So these are all sticker sheets. Now these ones come in the booklets, this one here, and then the other one I'm going to show you. The paper is just really nice and thick. It feels like the stickers are going to be really good, and you've got a really nice variety of images in this little booklet. They also sell individual stickers, so if you wanted to buy just, you know, separate stickers from the ones you see here, you could do that as well. The next booklet here is a lot thicker, lots of sheets, more than I thought initially that it had, so that is really, really nice to have as well. All right, so I forgot to almost tell you what you could win. They have offered one of 4 kits that are in their shop, and all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and their YouTube channel. Leave a like in the video, comment below that you want to enter, so you can get to win one of these 4 kits here. It's open international, 18 or over. You do have to be a subscriber to my channel, to their channel, and leave a comment below letting me know which one of the supplies you thought was one that you might want to get. That's it, my friends. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. Good luck entering, and share with your friends. Let them know that I have a giveaway on my channel. All right, I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.